Hello everyone, Philip from BlackBull Market update on US30. Now we are approaching the weekend, so don't expect much for this move to play out during this time. This is for looking into next week because there is NFP next week as well. So looking at the bigger time frame, we'll look here at the 4-hourly time frame. We can see a nice big push up and push back down again. Now first thing we do pick up here is a bit of consolidation. We notice that we were sitting inside of this consolidation zone, and then also here the bottom sort of support area as well. So we broke out of that. We look for a move to the upside. Now if you're watching our live streams, we actually were able to catch this move, push back up, and actually happened to be a really good move to the upside. Now coming back into this, looking at the high term time frames, first thing I noticed is it does start to look a bit like a fake out. So if we look on our daily time frame, we can see, zoom in a bit, it does start to look quite nice like a fake out. Now a fake out, obviously we talk about this in all our videos, so if you don't know what it is, definitely check that out. But we do have the consolidation zone up, resistance level, support level. We saw the broker this candle up over here, came back down again. So now we're waiting for is, now this candle's closed inside, we're looking for this next candle or the one after that to sort of retest this resistance area at the top. And what we want from that is to look for potential to signify the move coming down. So once we get that retest, we could look for a push back down, break this support, and look to push further into this nice clean traffic we see here on the left. We do have a bit of a hiccup coming up, so that could be a good target for the downside, or this, obviously this ultimate low as well. However, if we do start to break up high, so this is the sort of that likely outcome, but we always need to be prepared for different options. So if we see this candle, this current green candle, sort of close up about halfway above this area and halfway into this candle, we could look for it to start pushing further higher as well. So those are kind of the two options that we have. Obviously looking on our lower term time frames, this is a more daily time frame, so it will take a bit longer to trade. And obviously if you go to the lower terms, we can look for potential moves once we start exiting that consolidation zone of us. So once we start exiting this area, we can look on our lower term time frames for potential moves. For the meantime, while we're in here, look for the moves inside of this zone. So that's it for this week. Nothing much because it is a Friday, but stay tuned for next week's moves. Stay tuned and trade safe. Have a good